And the uncle was crying that leave him. He has not made any written complaint. Death on time. Yes. In hospital, thereafter police got information and take custody of the body and all the medical reports.
You did not inform the police
No,
about the death.
no.
এসআই রাজদীপ সরকার এবং সহকারী পুলিশ বাবুরা লাগাতার সন্ধ্যা 6:30 থেকে লাঠিচার্জ করে এবং আমাদের বিজ্ঞানের চুরির সবকিছু কথা স্বীকার।
This is by the deceased uncle Mohsin Haldar. Well, this name is important because it will come up in various medical reports also subsequently.
On second, this 21 years old lad, Abu Siddiqui Haldar, was taken to custody. There was no written complaint. Lad,
The petitioner is the father.
father, lad, they started beating until lad, next day he was not produced with the court. In the afternoon, lad, on the third,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
in fact, we were forced
Okay.
to pay. This is not part of my complaint because it was made by his mother. But money was paid by the father to the police, 1,75,000 to ensure his bail. And accordingly, on the next day, he was produced to the court. He was
আচ্ছা,
released,
ঠিক আছে
and thereafter he was admitted to the hospital.
Who admitted him?
This
Parents.
was the son. The son who was now died.
Who admitted him? The
Thank you.
parents.
Parents. Police did nothing. Now, lad, I have that before admission, lad, we had a video recording to record every parts of his body, lad. But we have annexed few of the photographs from that video recording. Lad. The justice can look into the photographs to understand the lad, level of torture at page
Achha.
22 onwards, 22, 23. Lad,
ওকে
the rule was inserted his back. Electric shock was given lad to his genital. Lad, I cannot explain the way lad the torture was made.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
Lad, now all these things has to be looked into lad. I'll have
Over what issue?
lad the allegation of theft.
একদম ঠিক কথা
Now lad there was no written complaint. According to the police, that one of my brother has made complaint.
ঠিক
My uncle has made complaint. Uncle is with us.
ভিডিওটা দেখি
Uncle was also taken into custody with him, and
Okay.
the uncle was crying that leave him. He has not made any written complaint. In fact, he has not informed the police anything. There was a quarrel
Okay, ঠিক আছে
between the families. No written complaint was made. Whatever is there,
ওকে
even I have murdered
When
somebody.
did the person die?
Blood on 8th.
It postmortem done?
Blood that they have done postmortem. I want to know whether the video recording was done or not. Whether magistrate done was not in presence of the magistrate. And blood, the
No.
second thing is
Tell
Whether-
me, he died in the hospital, you say?
yes, in the private hospital. I moved 3 government hospital. They released ultimately. No treatment was
admitted.
done. Ultimately, he was admitted in the private hospital. There he died.
ওকে
Now,
What
blood,
was he
no
required
document
to-
was handed over to me by the private
Achha.
hospital. Nothing. I have no records except now the handing over the body. That records. I have no other records. That is, the police has ensured that. Now, lad, I have made complaint, and subsequently yesterday, police took petitioner into the thana, and lad, there is a written complaint made in same manner.
ঠিক
It was written by us, narrating the incident, and it was. Now, lad, the
What
primary
was
thing
the
is
requirement of the postmortem being made?
postmortem done by the police. That is their initiative. They have become proactive to do the postmortem. I was not even informed before postmortem. It was not done.
Were you informed about the death on time?
Yes, death on time. Yes, in hospital, Thereafter, police got information and take custody of the
Acha.
body and all the medical reports.
You did not inform the police
No,
about the death.
no. Before
Okay.
that, no. But there was chaos in public, most certainly. Police informed about it and took custody of the body and post-mortem done. I was not informed about before post-mortem. Now,
What is
let
your
them
prayer
first inform your lordships whether post-mortem was videographed in presence of them. This is a custodial torture and death.
Acha.
In presence of magistrate or not. If it is not done, then exhumation has to be done and post-mortem has to be conducted because it has been buried. It was buried yesterday. That has to be done for further investigation. At whoever is instance, it has to be done because this evidence needs to be secured first.
The respondents.
Then I'll make the other submissions.
Other submission? Matlab he may complete.
No. First, these are the primary information I require. I don't have any records.
PM report matlab we have not also received. Matlab probably we received in course of the day.
Was it done?
PM has been done on the day itself, matlab, but we are yet to receive the.
What was the requirement of the PM? Who informed you to conduct the post-mortem?
Matlab, there was a complaint matlab which is annexed to the writ petition by the mother. Matlab.
Yes.
So Lordship kindly take the last page of the writ petition.
Yes.
ভারতের কানুন সম্বন্ধে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবো।
Matlab, page 26. Matlab, at 9:27 on the basis of this the another FIR has been registered matlab on 9th July itself matlab and matlab the PM has been conducted.
আমাদের দেওয়া ভিডিওগুলি সম্পূর্ণ দেখুন।
But I believe he is making this submission upon instruction.
No, from records
No.
2026 you have annexed.
Before that, body was taken by the police.
আচ্ছা।
The body was in the hospital, in the custody of the police. Only thereafter, the mother was made complaint from his residence. I believe no that submission will be made without instruction. I
Okay.
expect that. And every day, I do not want to make submission
yes,
that they are making
wait.
submission.
So matlab the FIR is on the basis of this.
FIR is on the basis of this.
The fresh FIR is on the basis of this.
The person died.
Yes. Prior to this, the person died, matlab. In fact, one shot each. Matlab, if I may cover the dates, matlab. But before that, your lordship, matlab.
And one more thing, whether they have preserved the CCTV. Once again, they will come and say that this is
Let
not.
me hear. সহকারী পুলিশ এসআই রাজদীপ সরকার এবং সহকারী পুলিশ বাবুরা লাগাতার সন্ধ্যা 6:30 থেকে লাঠিচার্জ করে এবং আমাদের এখানে চুরির সব কিছু কথা স্বীকার
Matlab, late evening on the 8th, that is the date of death.
At
9:15 hours.
Clear it.
For the page 27. Page 27, your lordship will get it.
Was it videographed?
Matlab, the postmortem was videographed.
Who was present? Was any magistrate present?
Matlab, this happened matlab, within the Kolkata police jurisdiction. So it has been done by the Kolkata police.
Yes.
And the FIR is by matlab, is under Sundarban police district. Matlab. Because matlab, the complaint, if your lordship find, is to the SP of Sundarban police district at page 26.
Yes.
And the PM is not by us. The body was taken to PM by the Kolkata police. That report is awaited, matlab. Once we get the report, matlab, I can come back with better
Can you
particulars with
say
regards to that.
It was videographed.
It is videographed. That is my instructions.
All right.
Now, matlab, if I may only cover the dates,
Thanks
matlab,
for watching.
from 3rd July, matlab.
Yes, yes.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক শেয়ার কমেন্ট করবেন।
2nd July, the page 26 mentions about 2nd of July he was
Taken into custody.
taken in custody.
He was not in terms of, not as per our records, matlab. If I may give the dates, matlab. Matlab, 3rd July, if your lordship kindly takes page 4 of that,
No. Confirm karo.
just after
3rd
the
July.
yes. Matlab, this FIR was registered on 3rd of July. This is against the deceased. Deceased is one of the FIR name accused here at 8:05 hours PM. This is by the deceased uncle Mohsin Haldar. But this name is important because it will come up in various medical reports also subsequently. Now, my lord, yes, accused one is the deceased. Now, my lord, he was taken into custody at on 4th July at 3:45 a.m.
3:45 a.m.
AM.
in the mid of night.
Well, your lordship will get that at page 7.
The diary is lodged, FIR is lodged when? On the 3rd
3rd
at
8 p.m.
8 p.m. In between 8:30 such and
But the
such.
allegation was stealing
Offences.
gold ornaments and cash.
Occurrence is 1st of July.
Right. The uncle says that gold and cash was stolen from the uncle. He is taken into custody on 4th July 3:45 a.m. and produced on the same day before the magistrate. Produced on the same day before the magistrate, where we had prayed for police custody.
Thanks.
Bail was granted then and there. Page. Correct that.
Thank
Page
you.
19 kindly takes Malad, page 18.
Please hand over these documents to the petitioner, the documents that you are relying upon.
Malad, may I do it without the report or with the report, Malad? Malad, there's a 3-page report.
Yes.
Well, I was also not placing it before your lordships. It was more in the form of statement of fact, not really a report. So, Malad, may I hand over from page 4 on?
Right, page 4 onwards, let the documents be handed over.
Having so, Malad, your lordship will kindly take page 18.
Listen, today, what can the court do? At best, direct to preservation of the CCTV
But
footages?
kindly hears me out on the facts, Malad. Kindly.
Why? What is the relief that can be granted today?
Malad, without
Okay.
Malad, my understanding is that first of all the PM is required.
Yes.
PM is required,
The report is required and all these things has to come. So,
and this is not a case where he will be cremated. The deceased will be cremated.
no, he has already been buried. Please come.
It already did.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ওকে
The son of the
Well,
petitioner.
But I am not making any submission, Malad, with the presumption that your lordship is not passing any interim order.
I'm not passing. Only for preservation of certain things. The CCTV footages, your
TTV
PM
is
report
it?
should come. The videograph of the
Malad,
PM.
CCTV of the police station is not available with us.
Why?
And Malad, on
From will not done.
Why?
This
Why?
will not
Why?
done. Every day,
Why?
every
Yes.
police station, whenever something happens, they will come and say,
One second.
Yes. Why?
Malad, the recording device, the DVR was not functioning.
No.
From 23rd onwards. 20
No.
কত তারিখ থেকে?
then SP needs to be
From
Malad, presented for the
23rd onwards. And Malad, that is on record in another matter.
right.
In another matter where it was
Okay.
sought for by the ACJM Kakdeep. We have put it on record on that day itself. That is on 26th. We have told the court that we are not having the CCTV and we are taking steps to mend the DVR recording
আচ্ছা,
device.
ঠিক আছে
And Malad, we have already mailed to Webel, and these are all before this FIR. There's nothing to do with this FIR. We had already mailed to Webel on 26th of June that this is our problem. Kindly send a technician. And we have also, Malad, approached the. There was some local computer operator also
ঠিক
who tried to look into the problem. Thereafter, we mailed to Webel, and these are absolutely unrelated to this incident.
Malad, I ask myself how many dates they require to Malad, ensure Malad, to
সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিওটা দেখুন।
Paragraph.
And Malad, additionally, Malad, since your lordship concluding my submission part, Malad, and your lordship has recorded that they did not know the cause of death. But if your lordship is kind enough to kindly take page 13 of the bunch I have handed over. This we have obtained from the Malad nursing home where the deceased was admitted.
ওকে ঠিক আছে
Malad will kindly take serial number 17 in that page 13 and take the last line.
ওকে
Last line. Malad has got
কি লিখেছে
Malad jaundice. Accentuated. Third word is jaundice. Elevated
Last
urea and
line.
creatinine level. Page 13, last line.
BP.
Handwritten line. At
Jaundice, elevated
urea and creatinine
urea,
levels.
creatinine level.
And
Yes.
noticeably, kindly take serial number 10.
Hmm.
He is brought by
ওকে
that complainant
Uncle.
of that case, that uncle.
আচ্ছা
And the physical assault is narrated by serial number 16. Kindly see C, 16C, relative.
Hmm.
আচ্ছা
That is the uncle. And in most of the other medical reports, we find that the uncle took him to the nursing homes.
ওকে
This is the uncle who made the complaint. This is the uncle who went to the court and said that I don't want any. I have compounded the. I don't have any
Oh, no.
difficulty with. No,
Was
it's recorded in the bail order.
Towards sports too.
It is recorded in the
Right,
bail order.
that I'll show better.
And this uncle took him to all the nursing homes.
Page 7 of the
But-
of his document,
But
blood
it is
kindly
not
see.
about the uncle because Malad, your lordship recorded that they do not know the cause of death. Malad, this is from the nursing home that they admitted him.
Blood, only one thing, blood kindly see page 7 of his bunch.
আচ্ছা
The last page signature, the date.
ওকে
It was previously 3rd July, then it was done as 4th July. Rewrite. Then blood
এরকম
kindly
Where
takes
will you go?
another allegation that I was not even produced as a medical officer before production of before the magistrate.
That is page 9.
That's why blood I have make a prayer
আচ্ছা
for preservation of the CCTV footage of the hospital, whether I was actually produced before the hospital or not.
Page 9, it is there, Malad. Page 9.
Because I have specifically pleaded I was in the car, police van. I was never produced by the magistrate,
Okay.
medical officer.
এমন ভিডিও সবসময় দেখার জন্য
The
আমাদের
wife's
চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব
complaint.
করুন
That is what they have pleaded.
ভিডিওগুলো দেখে
Not mother,
বুঝে
wife's
যায়।
complaint.
Petitioner's wife।
Petitioner's wife. No, no.
এইভাবে
Petitioner, so
Wife, wife, mother.
Mother.
Wife of the
থাকতে
petitioner, right?
হয়।
Mother's complaint.
He's only 21
এইভাবে
years old.
কোর্টের
May not
But
have been
that FIR I require, madam. I don't have copy.
I'll produce with the PM report, Malad.
They have not madam, given.
And FIR is there.
No. This is not that FIR.
3rd July FIR.
This is FIR the alleged.
All right. 3rd July. On
And
the
Malad,
9th.
additionally, Malad, if I may submit two things. Malad, the allegation is against one Rajdeep Sarkar, Malad.
Hmm.
He has already been Malad, taken out of that PS. Malad has been posted in the headquarters. He has already been closed as far as the PS is concerned, Malad. And Malad, disciplinary proceeding has also been started on the basis of the complaint we have received on 9th of July.
And madam,
Which are not in the report, but
and the CCTV footage of the blood nursing home is also can direct to preserve. Because
Which nursing home? The last nursing
yes,
home.
that's from which blood the police has taken custody.
that is respondent number 5.
Swastik Shivasadam, the respondent of 5.
Swastik Shiva Shodhan. আচ্ছা দেখি তো। Was he at all admitted in Swastik?
Yes.
Malad, that is Malad, the
Date and
jaundice.
time.
The jaundice I showed, Malad.
Jaundice, his date and time of examination is 8th of July. When was he admitted? On the 8th
Okay.
itself.
No, 8th blood.
Eight.
Primarily I was in page 16 blood. Can you see? Page 16 is the first. Page 16 of their report. This is the first
আচ্ছা
treatment at
Mathurapur Rural
yes,
Hospital.
why that the statement of the patient has been recorded.
Yes.
Brief incident as per statement of the patient.
ওকে
They are blood specific statement that police has been has injured him.
Malad, may I? Malad, it will take 5 minutes. Malad, may I place these reports which I intended, Malad?
Which
Since-
report?
These reports, Malad.
Why?
This has nothing.
Since we are going back and forth
No,
with
no,
these
not
reports,
only
Malad.
the date when he was taken to the hospital.
Shostik
First-
Seva Shodon, Malad, page 13. Your lordship will find the time of examination is 8:50 a.m.
That is 8th.
8:50 a.m. Yes,
Right.
8.
He was taken on the 8th
Yes.
8 in the Swastik. Yes.
in Swastik.
Yes. 4th, he went to Mathurapur. 5th, he went to Karibu Nursing Home. 6th, uncle admitted him to quality care in Diamond Harbour. 8th, he went to CMC where he did not find a bed and he went back to Shostik.
8th July
8th,
2024. From 8 a.m. for the entire day.
ঠিক আছে
List tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Okay.
কালকে
কি বলছে?
দুটোর সময় পিএম রিপোর্টটা আনতে বলেছি তো।
Malad, may it be on Monday, Malad. If we do not get the PM today, Malad, then again we have to pray for an adjournment.
And then PM report is got within a
48
day.
hours. 48 hours they take.
Yesterday it took
for
place.
Yes.
They can always
Well,
make
for-
it an urgent business. Milad.
But
delay may cause.
I'm only on the practical side. I understand this.
That is the reason I kept at
ভিডিওটি
2.
ভালো লাগলে
If you want at
like,
4,
share,
no,
comment
tomorrow
করবেন।
there is a 3:30.
330, Malad.
Capital
Then it will be
330
at
no difficulty.
3:30 there is a.
No, there's a rising.
320 because my lord, if it is
Don't be so
if
harsh on Justice
requires
Kesalwani.
no,
2, this is the reason I said 2.
exhibition is required my lord, in any way.
Very well, Malad. I'll come back at 2 o'clock. If it is not there, I'll make appropriate submission.